Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Going with a euro dollar update. All right. Euro dollar right now trading right around 115 the figure. Its inability to get over 115.49 is actually showing still a little bit of a short-term bearish tendency. If we look at the high of the 116, I'm going to go back to this level right here, the 116.31 level. I'm going to throw up a trend line. We can see that we're still kind of like in a bearish trend right here. We're going to go like there, and then we're going to actually come up off of this low right here, come up to here, right here, and we can see that we are really trapped in between these 2 points right now. Now, as I said, its inability to get above that 115.50 level is actually showing that potentially it could drop down to like the 114.70. So if you're a euro dollar bull, you're going to want to watch price action that's happening right here. You could potentially get this back down at 114.77. The main point of support is right here. If we look at RSI, it's sitting really at a neutral point right now. So what's really driving the euro dollar? All right, well, if we think about it, lingering Middle East tensions and ongoing uncertainty over potential U.S. strike on Iran are fueling the demand for the dollar right now as a safe haven. If we go over to the DAX, we can see that actually happening right now. Now, here's the point. Although, the euro yen is up, and so is sterling yen, it's really being driven by dollar yen. So this DAX reversal right now on the 4-hour, coming off of the lows right here. This was a main point of 97, 98. We did drift down below it before we kind of popped up. This is all the Middle East tension crap happening, okay? So the dollar is up on the DAX, or the US dollar index, because of dollar yen. All right, so let's go back over to the euro dollar and let's try to break this down a little bit deeper. All right, so let's go to a 1-hour chart so we can see. Well, we don't really need this anymore, but I mean that became huge. So we'll get rid of the RSI. We don't need it anymore. Now we're just going to go price action based. Okay, so as I said, the key point to get over for euro bulls to show strength is that 115.50. The main support right now is 114, say 40. Okay, euro dollar has just been tracking in between these 2 points right now. So the play is to see what happens at this price right now. Okay, if you're a euro bull and you hadn't gotten long in this congestion area here, it's a tough place right now to get long. I mean, I would actually be waiting to see what happens if we can break through this short-term support at say 115, say 114.90. Let's say 114.90. We could potentially drift down to 114.70. Short-term bulls, you could be looking to basically buy, with a stop below the 114, say 45 level. So what I would be, like I said, I don't really trade this straight. I kind of I trade it through the crosses, and the crosses are up because of dollar yen. Dollar yen is the key driver. It's been the key driver. It actually shifted a couple of days ago, threw me off my game. I think the marketplace was shifting before all this stuff with the the Iranian situation. So let me get rid of this thing, that circle. Okay, so really right now this is a key, important, critical support point. So I would think that it's a decent support point right now off of this low. If this holds, we could get back up above 115.10. Market could then rally. It needs to get above this 50 level. If it shows that it's getting above the 50, marketplace is calming down, and they are, looking to basically get in the euro because of potential, trade deal with the European Union and all that stuff. So what we got going on geopolitically, like I said, the Middle East, U.S. Fed stance, they held the rates steady between 4.25 and 4.5. Powell adopting a hawkish hold, leading to further support right now. But although they are saying that they're looking forward for a rate cut in the future. Now, if we look at options, Bloomberg noted a shift. Traders are increasingly using euro-denominated options, indicating a rising interest in the euro as either a hedge or a growth play and a move away from the U.S. dollar. So they're out of the money options. However, there are institutions that are picking them up. So if you're a euro overall bull, you're looking, you could look at that and say, yeah, I gotta pick my points where I'm going to get involved. So short term, it looks like if we can get above the 115.50, we could inch a little bit higher. And potentially get above 115.70, which could reverse the short-term bearish trend right now. A dip below the key support at 114, say 40, is going to open the door towards probably the 113.70, and I'll show you where that is. Let's go over here. It's basically coming down. Let me go to the 4-hour chart so we get more data in right here. Okay. Here it is. Here's that main swing point, 113.53. But really, I would think like right there, 113.70 is where we can open up the path to. So key points again. Euro dollar has to hold this, and it is. It's bouncing off of this, which is good. Euro yen is starting to recover again, going up to the highs. Sterling yen back up at 196.46 off of the top of 196.71. So it's starting to percolate a little bit. Remember, this is the key point right here. Key support is right there. So that's what I got for you guys going on in Euro dollar. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to head over to Park Avenue Trading and get yourself a free ebook. And I look forward to seeing you on the weekend update. Remember always, as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.